Today I'm going to go over the features of this electric scarifier and dethatcher, and this one is by this company called YERYORK, YERYORK, however you want to say that. You see we've got it fully assembled here. I want to show you the features and go over it real quick, and then we'll give it a test and try it out. Now this unit was provided for me for free in exchange for doing an Amazon review video. So I want to talk to you about some of the things I like about this one. Now a lot of the construction material is made of plastic. You see, now the good thing about that is it's very lightweight and super maneuverable. So it doesn't weigh much at all. The other thing I really like about this one, extremely easy to lower the blade settings. So it's got 5 different height settings that you can lower it down. You see as I do that, it drops it lower, lower, lower. And so depending on how deep into the ground you want to cut with the scarifying tool on there. And it comes with a generous size collection bag, which is nice as well. Before we put it to use, I want to show you the difference in the blades. So I'm just going to turn it all the way upside down, and you'll see these are the scarifying blades. So these are metal blades that are fixed blades, and they're designed to actually cut down into the grass a little bit. So almost like a mini tiller. And what you're doing is loosen up some of that compacted soil and really a more aggressive form of rehabilitating the turf. You can accomplish the dethatching at the same time, but you're doing more than that. You're cutting down into the turf, loosen up the soil a little bit. Now the dethatching tines, let me show you what those look like. You see the difference? These are the dethatching tines, and it's very easy to switch this out to put these on there instead of the scarifying. So these are designed to not dig down into the turf, but simply to kind of rake up the thatch off the layer here, off the ground, which again can cause problems if you have too much thatch. And some grass types require that more than others, depending on how quickly the thatch breaks down. But if it starts layering up, it can be problematic for the yard. So this is the dethatching tines. This is scarifying. We're going to give the scarifying one a test, and we're going to see how well the bag does and how well it collects in there. And just show you what it looks like, and we'll adjust the height accordingly and give it a test run. Now this does run off of electricity. The way you operate it, this is your power button here, and so you're going to press that in and pull the handle back and it'll start. So we're going to start. I don't want to go too deep. We'll start, actually we'll go on setting number 3, which is the next to the lowest one, and see how that does. Now, I did a couple of things there that I thought was pretty cool. One, I actually had it lower, a little slightly lower than I thought, so I dug into the ground. But one of the things that showed is it does have good power, because it didn't hesitate to go through that, even though I was kind of digging it up. Now, I'm not concerned about this as far as you may think, oh no, what'd you do? This will actually probably green up faster than some of the other parts of the yard after scarifying it. Again, you can see what the scarifying does. It does more than just dethatch it. I got rid of the thatch, but it also digs down in the dirt and really breaks it up. And you see what a small area I just did, and look how much it picked up. So I mean, it collected a lot. If I show you in the bag here, it almost filled up the bag. I mean, most of the way. Probably 2/3 of the way, just in that little area. So if I had to do it again, I would probably have adjusted it and raised it up just one more notch where it wasn't digging down quite as much. The dethatching attachment on there, you're not scraping up the dirt, you're just getting the thatch. So again, lightweight, easy to assemble, very easy to maneuver around, and then has good power, 16-inch width on it, and very easy to adjust the height on it. Very simple to use. I am impressed with this for my first